think you have made a good ruling. I just wanted to say that
my elder sister, Senator for Isiolo, for...
Beside the overall opinion, Governor, it indicates that your revenues are falling, that in that financial year you only achieved 41%. It indicates that on salaries you're paying 49.4% of your total budget against the 35% required in the PFM Act.
Mr. Chair, there are so many essentials involved when the auditor was auditing us. And some of the responses were there on time. But Mr. Chair, this is a deal gone sour between the auditors and some of the officers we inherited from the previous administration who believe corruption cannot be fought in Nairobi City County.
If there are any allegations that will arise, they will arise out of the process of looking at the audit queries.
For now, Mr. Chair, allow me to spare those comments. I don't want it to look as if I want to preempt the question raised by the auditor, but I shall be discrediting these reports because initially it was a draft. And when it was brought to me, I've got my evidence and to support each and every allegation I'm making.